is the Northwest Passage. Right now we're right about over here. There are many cruise lines that are now transiting the Northwest Passage all the way around Alaska. This is Colbert Island, and it's stunning out here right now. As you can see, the fog dissipated, but we still haven't seen any marine mammals. An announcement that there are 2 polar bears sleeping on shore somewhere, and now the trick is to find them. That's the hard part. Sure as hell is a bear.
There it is, it's sitting up.
He's sitting up.
He's standing up the whole thing.
Oh, wow. See, there are bears here. Both bears are up. We've got bears. Time to go back to sleep. Captain just dropped anchor, and this is Devon Island. This morning the sea is as smooth as glass. As you can see out here, our plans have changed. There's no shore landing this morning because you can't see anything, and there are possibly polar bears on shore, and we don't want any polar bears sneaking up on us in the fog. It's like San Francisco.
Little jellyfish.
Little sea angels. If you look back at my videos when we were in Hokkaido, like little sea angel, little red one. Everybody's passing around the glasses with the little sea angels in them because it's almost impossible to focus in on the water, even though there are thousands of them around here. Aren't they amazing?
They're
just floating there.
And they're also.
The fog has lifted as we sail into Croker Bay, which has 2 big tide water glaciers that flow down into the sea. It's moving off a little bit. So nice and clear, and the fog's coming in again. Darn.
Well, checked off a few polar bears today.
Yeah.
We've spent 2 days in Canada now, and we've seen, I think, 7 bears.
Naomi, can you please go ahead with...
That's the sound of the ice crackling.
The northern coal mine. Do a couple donuts.
Professional job.
Some glacier, isn't it? They estimate that it's about 1.5 miles.
Take a picture of this.
From you? From you folks?
Yeah. There. Straight ahead.
Yep.
You see him right here.
I see him. There. He's shooting right into the sunlight.